Hey there, fellow finance fans, crypto, right? It's the buzzword that's been on everyone's lips for the past few years. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, and even the meme coins like Dogecoin, the world of cryptocurrency has exploded into the mainstream. But what exactly is it about crypto that has everyone so excited and sometimes so confused? It's like the internet had a baby with a beanie baby, and everyone's trying to figure out if it's going to be a doctor or a disappointment. Remember the Beanie Baby craze of the 90s? People were convinced those little stuffed animals were going to be worth a fortune someday. Well, crypto feels a bit like that, but on a much grander scale. The stakes are higher, the technology is more complex, and the potential rewards and risks are enormous. One minute, some teenager is buying a pizza with Bitcoin. That actually happened back in 2010, when a programmer paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. Today, those Bitcoins would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. It's stories like these that fuel the excitement and the fear of missing out, or FOMO, that drives many people to invest in crypto. The next, Elon Musk is tweeting about Dogecoin, and suddenly, everyone's a financial expert. Musk's tweets have been known to cause massive swings in the value of cryptocurrencies, turning the market into a roller coaster ride. One tweet can send prices soaring, while another can cause them to plummet. It's a wild, unpredictable world, and it seems like everyone wants a piece of the action. But here's the thing about the crypto craze. It's attracted more than just your average Joe with a Robinhood account. Institutional investors, hedge funds, and even governments are getting involved. They're all trying to figure out how to navigate this new financial frontier. The potential for profit is huge, but so are the risks. It's a high-stakes game, and not everyone is going to come out a winner. We're talking serious money, shady characters, and enough legal gray areas to make a lawyer drool like a dog spotting a dropped hot dog. The anonymity and lack of regulation in the crypto world have made it a magnet for fraudsters and criminals. From Ponzi schemes to ransomware attacks, the dark side of crypto is very real. And as more money flows into the market, the stakes get even higher. And where there's big money being tossed around, you can bet your bottom Bitcoin there are rules. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are scrambling to catch up with the rapid pace of innovation in the crypto space. They're trying to figure out how to protect investors without stifling the growth of this exciting new technology. It's a delicate balance, and one that's still very much a work in progress. Problem is, those rules are about as clear as a glass of milk after you've dropped your dentures in it. The regulatory landscape is constantly shifting, and what might be legal today could be outlawed tomorrow. For investors, this uncertainty can be nerve-wracking, but for those willing to take the risk, the potential rewards can be life-changing. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newbie, the world of crypto is one wild ride you won't want to miss. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing in this digital gold rush. It's like the modern-day version of the California gold rush, but instead of pickaxes and gold pans, we're armed with referral links and digital wallets. The allure of quick riches is just as strong and the stakes are just as high. But what does it really mean to be part of this digital gold rush? Let's dive deeper. Picture this. You tell your buddy about this cool new crypto platform. You're excited, he's intrigued, and before you know it, you're both diving into the world of digital currencies. It's not just about sharing information, it's about sharing opportunities, and maybe even a bit of the wealth. He signs up using your special link, throws down some cash, hopefully his own, and boom! Just like that, he's part of the crypto community. But it doesn't stop there. Every transaction he makes, every coin he buys, you're getting a slice of the action. It's a win-win, right? Well, let's hold that thought. You get a little taste of his crypto pie. Everyone's happy, right? Well, maybe not everyone. While you're celebrating your new earnings, there's a whole other side to this story that you might not be thinking about. The side that involves rules, regulations, and a lot of fine print. See, the feds, they've got this thing about transparency. They want to make sure that every transaction is above board, and that means keeping a close eye on all those referral bonuses you're raking in. It's not just about the money, it's about the integrity of the financial system. They like to know who's pushing what, especially when it comes to stuff that can make or break your life savings faster than a casino dealer in Vegas. The stakes are high, and the government wants to make sure that everyone is playing by the rules. It's not just about protecting the investors, it's about maintaining trust in the entire financial ecosystem. So when you're out there singing the praises of crypto coin XYZ and raking in those sweet referral bonuses, the government wants to peek behind the curtain. They want to know if you're being honest, if you're disclosing your affiliation, and if you're following the rules. It's not just about making money, it's about doing it the right way. They want to know if you're being honest, if you're disclosing your affiliation, and if you're following the rules. Transparency is key, and failing to disclose your affiliations can lead to serious consequences. It's not just a suggestion, it's a requirement. And it's one that can have a big impact on your financial future. And trust us, the rules are about as much fun as a tax audit. Navigating the legal landscape of affiliate marketing in the crypto world can be daunting, but it's essential if you want to stay on the right side of the law. So before you dive headfirst into the digital gold rush, make sure you understand the rules of the game. Because in the world of crypto, it's not just about what you earn, it's about how you earn it. Here's where things get about as clear as a bowl of mud. The world of crypto affiliate marketing is a labyrinth of uncertainty and confusion. Just when you think you've got a handle on it, new regulations pop up, changing the game entirely. Regulations around crypto affiliate marketing? They're still being written, folks. It's like trying to hit a moving target. One day, a certain practice might be perfectly legal, and the next, it could land you in hot water. It's like trying to assemble a bicycle while riding it down a mountain. You're constantly adjusting, trying to keep up with the latest rules and guidelines, all while trying to stay ahead of the competition. The big issue is that the powers that be haven't quite figured out what crypto is, let alone how to regulate it fully. Is it a currency? Is it a commodity? Is it something entirely new that doesn't fit into any existing category? Is it a security? The debate rages on, with different countries and even different states within countries having their own interpretations and rules. Is it a digital beanie baby destined to be forgotten in the attic of the internet? Or is it the future of finance, here to stay and revolutionize the way we think about money and transactions? They're still arguing about it, and you don't want to be the test case when they finally decide. Navigating this regulatory minefield requires constant vigilance, a keen understanding of the evolving landscape, and a willingness to adapt at a moment's notice. Stay informed, stay compliant, and most importantly, stay ahead.